So in last class we were discussing about joins. We have seen inner join, outer join, and cross join we have seen. Now we have one more join, self join. Self join means to join the table within a table. Means there is only single table. We need to join the table based on the requirement. This will not have any syntax, but based on the requirement, we need to analyze and we need to join the table. This is the employee table. Now in organization, there are employees, few employees. A is the employee, B is the employee, C is the employee, D is the employee. Okay. Now he is the employee. D's manager is C. Okay. Now C also is employee, right? D is the employee. His manager is C. C also employee for the company. Correct? Now for C, there is one more manager. Manager should be there. So B is the manager for D. B is the manager for D. And also, he is also the employee for the company. Now you are there. Okay. For you, there is one manager in your company. Okay. Your manager also is the employee for the company, right? So that is the example here. A is the manager for B, but A also is the employee, and B is the employee for the company, and he is the manager for C. So like this, the hierarchy of welcome. Okay. Now see here, employee number, manager. Employee number is king. 7839 is the king. King is the employee. He is the employee. Okay. And he is the manager for, this is the manager ID. He is the manager for these three employees. Blake, Clark, Jones. He is the employee and he is the manager for Blake, Clark, Jones. These three. Blake, Clark, Jones. Because see here, manager ID. Manager ID is, whose manager ID is this? Blake's King's manager ID 7839. Clear? Next. 7566 is the Jones. See, Jones is the employee and his manager is King. Again, Jones is first employee, and again Jones is the manager for whom these two employees, Scott and Ford. For Scott and Ford, he is the manager. Clear? Like what I am telling everyone clear? Any doubts? I'm just explaining whatever is there in table only. So King is the employee for the company and King is the manager for Blake, Clark and Jones. Like here. This is the MGR means manager ID. 7839, 7839, 7839. Who is the 739? King. King is the manager for these three employees. Next, Jones. Jones is the employee and he is the manager for these two employees. Like that. Ford. Ford is the employee and he is the manager for Smith. Okay. And 7698. 7698 is the Blake. He is the employee and he is the manager for these four employees. Allen, Ward, Martin, Turner. See here, manager ID is there. So based on the timetable. Clear?
Yes.
Now we need to display that. King is the employee and he is manager. He is the manager for which employees. That is we need to display by using self join. So all data which in which table, select star from employee table. We need to join with same table, employee comma employee. Okay. I am giving one alias name as employee table. This is alias name. Anything you can give. E also you can give. E1 also you can give anything. But here I have given the employee alias name. This for this employee I am giving alias name as manager. For understanding purpose I am giving these alias names. You can give anything for your own. Okay. Now two tables I have joined. Based on which condition? Condition should be there, right? Where employee dot manager. So employee dot employee number. Based on which condition? This condition. Employee table employee number, manager table manager number. Manager dot. Now we have joined. Okay. But what we want to display? What we want to display? First we need to display employee number. Employee dot empty number as employee comma manager dot ngr. Manager. Let's see, you can see now. So display name. This is the query. See the query. Manager is King and his employees are Jones, Clark, Blake. Blake is the manager. For whom? James, Turner, Martin, Ward, Allen. Clark is the manager for Miller. Jones is the manager for Ford. Jones is the manager for Scott. Scott is the manager for Stuart. Like this, we need to write. So there is no any syntax for this, but you need to think and you need to write based on the condition. So here in the same table, King is there. King is employee for Blake, Clark, and Jones based on the manager ID. Okay. So for this, I have joined two tables. What is table? Employee table only. Another one also employee table only. Same table. I have done self join. And for one table, I have given alias as employee, and for one table, I have given alias as manager. Okay. And for employee table manager ID equal to manager table employee number. I am giving alias name. Okay. And here displaying manager dot ename as manager, employee dot ename as employee. So same table ename I am displaying, but here I have given two alias name, that one is employee and one is manager. So that I have done here. Manager dot ename as manager, employee dot ename as employee. That's it. Now, so you can see now manager name and his employee names. If you want to see like this concatenate operator, we can see manager is the for everyone remember, right? Concatenate operator. We combine the two columns. Manager for we need to put in string. Just a minute. Employee name is Jones and his manager is King. Employee name is Clark and his name is King. That's it. Clear or confusing? Self-join. This is very little bit confusing only, but when you practice, it will be very easy. Okay. In class, I am telling only one or two examples, but you need to practice. Search in Google, you need to practice very thoroughly. Then only you will get the concepts. Okay. Now I will give you one task on self-join. Solve it and show me tomorrow. There is a table team. Hyderabad, Mumbai, Bangalore. There are the 4 IPL teams are there. Okay. We need to join this to this table. We need to do self join on this table, and I should require the result is Hyderabad should play with the Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore, and Mumbai should play with Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, and Chennai team should play with the Hyderabad, Mumbai, Bangalore. Now Bangalore should play with the Hyderabad, Mumbai, Chennai. That results I required. Team 1 and team 2. These are the columns should be there. If you do self join, first Hyderabad should play with Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore. Okay, these three teams Hyderabad should play match. Next, Mumbai should play with remaining three Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore. So Hyderabad, Mumbai already there, right? So it should not repeat again. So now these two Chennai and Bangalore. Mumbai, Chennai and Mumbai, Bangalore. Next, Chennai. Chennai should play with all three Hyderabad, Mumbai, Bangalore. But Hyderabad, Mumbai already combination already repeat. Hyderabad, Chennai and Mumbai, Chennai. Now you should play with Bangalore. Next, Bangalore. Bangalore should play with all three. The combination already repeated, I think. See, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai. So this is the combination. This is the output I required. So each team should play with all three teams only once. Requirement is clear, everyone? Are any doubts on the requirement? Everyone there? Requirement clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we have only one team. This is the one table. We need to do self join and we should achieve this requirement by using self join. Try your own and tell me tomorrow. Show me tomorrow. Okay. With this joins topic is completed. There are some functions left I told yesterday. NVL function. NVL and NVL2 functions mainly will be useful for to handle the null values. Null values. Okay. In any requirement, if they will ask, I want to see the employee details. Okay. Now you directly executed select start from employee, and you have given this result to the team. So, but they are seeing here null values. Okay. Now this is not a good way to give the null values like this. So what you need to do, you need to append with something, append with some value, anything. Okay. For that null values will be useful. Syntax is NVL of column name, comma, replace with something. Replace with some value. This is all. If null, then only replace with something. If null, replace with some value. This is the syntax for NVL. Now we will display some select employee number, comma, commission column is null, right? So for that I am applying NVL of column name commission, comma, I am appending with 0. Wherever the null is there, I want to see the 0, comma, department number. I have applied the null value, null NVL function for only commission, because there only null values are there. See here, wherever the null values are there, it is appended with the 0. So I don't want to append with 0. I want to see the NV null. In place of null, I want to see the string null. Invalid number. Why this error occurred? Can anyone tell? So previously we have appended 0, it is displayed result. But now I am appending with null string I am appending. So now it is giving invalid number error. Why this error occurred?
Is number data type?
Yeah, it's a number data type. So we need to convert number to character data type. Which function do we have? So commission is a number data type, but we are trying to apply null. Null is a character. So that's why the error came, invalid number. But we need to convert number to character. We have one function. Which function do we have? I think no one practicing. I'm giving so much time for practice. In these days, I would have completed the course also, total course, but I'm going slowly. Why? Because you need to practice. Everyone, some people are doing job. So after job, for practice, it's very difficult. So I'm going very slowly, but still you are not practicing. there is to char function. To char function will convert the number to null, number to character. So if you apply this, you can see here null. So I'm giving so in place of commission, so in place of null values, I am appending with the null. So that is the NVL function. Next NVL2. NVL2, what will do? Column name. If null, then replace with something. If not null, then replace with something. Okay. Previously, if null, then only we are displaying something. But for NVL2, the column is null, then display something. If the column is not null, then display something. Okay. In the same example, we will see. If the commission is null, we will display commission is null. If the commission is not null, then simply display commission. Here NVL2 function, NVL2. Sorry, reverse I have given. If the commission is not null, then display commission. Else commission. Otherwise, here display is commission. Okay. If the commission is null, it is displaying commission is null, commission is null, commission is null. If the commission is not null, it is displaying commission is 300, commission is 500, commission is 1400, commission is 0, like this. So for this we can handle if not null first. First if not null, then do something, and if null, then display something. So here what I am doing, if not null, I am comparing the commission column. If not null, I am displaying commission is that commission. If null, I am displaying simply commission is null. That's it. This is the NVL2 function. Next function is decode. These are some very important functions: decode, NVL2, case. Decode of column name, statement. If statement is true, then expression. Another statement, statement 1, expression 1. Statement 2. Like this, n number of statements you can give. I will tell why this will be useful. So in the same example, I'm using decode here. Decode commission. If commission is null, then display commission is null. Else commission is commission. This will be helpful like if else condition. If this, then do this. If not this, then do this, like this. See, same. Wherever the null is there, I'm displaying commission is null. And wherever the not null is there, then I'm displaying commission is this. And another example also we can see. If department number is 10, then this is the 10th department. If department number is 20, then this is the 20th department. Like that we can give. Simply I'm okay, commission I'm using like this only. Department number also I am displaying, and another column I am displaying. Department number. If department number 10, then display 10th department. If 20, then display 20 department. If 30, then 30 department. Else except this remaining, we should display other departments. Next. String not completed. Display this. Wherever the 10th department, it is showing 10th department. 30 is showing 30 department. 10, 10th department. 20, 20th department. Apart from this, there is one null department. For null department, what it is doing? Other department. So like this, decode will be useful. Next, same way we are having case statement. So this decode and case are very important. Do as much as practice you want. There will be examples where you can find in Google. So just practice as much as you want. These joins and this decode case, everything. These are the very, very important. Case column. Then statement 1. Then expression 1. Same like decode only. This is also. Then statement 2. Then expression 2. Like this. And number of you can write condition. And case. This is the syntax for the case. Okay. For same thing, I will write again. In place of decode, I will write case. case department number, well 10, then well 20, 20 department, well 30, then 30 else other department. End case. And I am giving some name as result. That's it. This is the case statement. Tenth department, 20th department. Okay. So another thing, salaries also. If the salaries is between 2000 to sorry 3000, if the salary is greater than 3000, then highest salary. If the salary is greater than 2000 and less than 3000, medium salary. And if the salary is less than 2000, low salary. We want to display this. Then display is salary when otherwise case when salary is greater than 3000, then display high salary. When salary is greater than 2000 and salary is less than 3000. So here 3000 are equal to 3000 also there or greater than also will be there. Then medium salary. Then salary is less than 2000. Then results. This one. Greater than 3000, greater than or equal to 3000 means 3000 also there, greater than 3000 also there. This is the high salary. Between 2000 and 3000, these are the medium salaries. And below 2000, these are all the low salaries. So like that we can display by using case statements. Clear?
Yes.
So for joins, not only joins, everything, all topics, operators, functions, joins, this case statement, decode statement, do as much as you want to practice. So not only these one or two examples, you can practice from your own also. If you practice, that is good for you. If you get job also, if they give any requirement, so you should not think about it. Directly you can write your code or you want. Okay.
అన్న అక్కడ ఎండ్ రిజల్ట్స్ అని ఎందుకు పెట్టారు అన్న అక్కడ?
రిజల్ట్స్ అంటే ఈ కాలం ఇక్కడ రావడానికి పేరు రిజల్ట్స్ అవసరం.
ఓకే.
ఇష్టం ఎండ్ అనేది కంపల్సరీ, కానీ ఇక్కడ ఇది నీ ఇష్టం, ఇంకా ఏదైనా ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు. ఎండ్ శాలరీ రేంజ్ అని కూడా ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు, శాలరీ రేంజ్.
ఓకే.
నేమ్ జస్ట్ ఫర్ నేమ్. or grade, salary grade also you can give. Okay.
Okay.
Mostly in 3 or 4 classes the SQL will be completed. Okay. So there is one main topic is subqueries. This is we will cover tomorrow, subqueries, and once the subqueries is completed, the remaining topics are small topics only. Views, synonyms, generalizations. So those topics. Okay, subquery is also very important. Any doubts as of now?
No.
So tomorrow also same time 8:30. So if no doubt, then I will start the session.
అన్న ట్రంకేట్ రిమూవ్ కొంచెం చెప్పవా? ట్రంకేట్ డ్రాప్.
So I have practiced that truncate. Have you practiced that truncate?
ప్రాక్టీస్ చేశాను.
ఏం అర్థమైంది నీకు? నార్మల్గా అడుగుతున్నా, అంటే వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ జస్ట్ టెల్. సెలెక్ట్ స్టార్ ఫ్రమ్ T1. సో దెర్ ఇస్ ఎ T1. ఇఫ్ ఐ డూ డిలీట్, వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్?
అది డిలీట్ అయిపోయి స్ట్రక్చర్ ఉంటుంది.
Delete from T1. 3 rows deleted. Select star from T1. So no rows are there. So can we roll back this?
Yes, roll back command.
Okay, we have done rollback and we have seen. Why we can roll back this? Because delete is a DML command. Whenever you are doing DML operations, commit and rollback is mandatory. So if you do rollback, the results will be bad. If you do commit, it will be deleted permanently. Okay. Next thing is truncate. Truncate is which command? Truncate is a DDL command. DDL commands are auto committed. So auto committed. Whenever you are applying the truncate statement, automatically the data will be deleted and committed permanently. We cannot roll back again. Okay. So you should remember DML commands are manually committed rollback, but DDL commands are auto committed. Truncate is the DDL command. Whenever you are truncating the table, so table data is deleted and the structure remains same. Select star from C3. So no data. If you roll back also, you cannot get the data rollback. Rollback completed, but still no data. Why? Because this is the DDL command. And when you say drop, it is T2 table. Yeah. So I will do drop. Drop table T2. When you say drop, this will delete the data as well as this will remove the table also. So you won't find table also if you do drop. See, select star from T2. Table or view does not exist. It will remove the data also as well as table also, table structure also. So if you do rollback also, you cannot get that, because drop also a DDL command. Okay, clear? Delete and truncate will delete the data and table structure will be remain same. But delete is a DML command and truncate is a DDL command. So this difference are very important. What is the difference between delete, truncate, and so if you say below 3 years experience, this question will be asked in every interview. Difference between delete, truncate, and run. But after 3 years, above 3 years, they might not ask this question. But in some interviews, they will ask. Now clear now these differences are any doubt again?
Clear.
Clear? Okay. Okay, then I'll stop session.